how to do a 1v1 in alternate battlegrounds. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to do a 1v1 in alternate battlegrounds. So to get started, I'm going to explain two main ways you can 1v1 your friends in alternate battlegrounds. The first method works in both public and private servers and is built into the game. To use it, simply join the game and select any character. Once you're in, you can use the specific chat command to initiate a 1v1. Just open the chat and type /1v1 and then player's name, replacing player's name with the actual username of your friend. If you're unsure about the command, you can also type /help to see a list of available commands. Once you send the request, both of you will be teleported to a separate duel area, ensuring no random players can interfere. Make sure your friend is in the same server as you, which they can easily join by selecting your name from the friends list and clicking join game. The second option is to create a private server, which is ideal if you're having trouble joining the same public server. However, this method requires spending 69 Robux to set up. To do this, go to the private server section, purchase the server, and invite your friend to join. Once you're both inside, you can fight without distractions. Keep in mind that random players may still enter unless you manually manage the server settings. Because of this, using the /1v1 command is often the better choice, as it guarantees a private dual space without the extra cost. In summary, if you want a quick and free way to 1v1, the /1v1 command is the best option as long as you and your friend are in the same server. However, if you prefer a dedicated space and don't mind spending Robux, a private server allows you to set up battles more freely. Either way, both methods let you challenge your friends and enjoy the game without interruptions. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.